welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Two of Pentacles, followed by the Eight of Swords. Then we've got two angel answer cards. The first one is Ask Your Angels. Another word for the angels could be your spirit guides, your soul self, your higher self. And then we've got one called Trust. Yes, I mean, that says it all, doesn't it? Those of you that know the cards kind of says it all at the moment. Now, when I picked the Two of Pentacles, I got a very strong feeling that this was about us in our transition, going from an ego-led life to a more soul-led life. You know, we're all doing it. So in the process of letting go of things that no longer serve us, that don't work for us anymore, and moving further towards things that we love, that are connected to us, that are important to us, that are in line with our priorities and our values. So that's what we're doing. That's what the whole world is undergoing at the moment. We're going through that transition. This is similar to a message I had it might even been a few months ago, where it was, look, recognize you've got two things at play here. And this is, you see, because sometimes this is about juggling, you know, lots going on. So for some of you, it might just be you're busy, lots happening, and you're trying to achieve lots of different things. But the overriding message they gave to me is just this two things we've got going on at the moment. We've got, you know, what's currently happening, and we're trying to move away from some of that, whether you want to call it your reality or your life or levels of consciousness, and you're looking to move to a different level, a different state, a different place, a different reality. So this two indicates that, and you're going between, you're having moments where you're in that new reality, the dream, what you're striving for, where you want to be, the new level of consciousness, and you're loving it and thinking, this is it. But then you're getting a bit thrown, and I know we keep saying that, when you get pulled back or something happens, maybe in your thinking, your mind, your patterns, your conditioning, to pull you back into the old way. And that's where all the fear is, the worry and doubt. Now, so this is what's happening. It's the acknowledgement of some of us, most of us, nearly all of us, still have one foot in one camp and the other foot in the other camp. That's the reality at the moment, and we're moving between the two. So it just felt as though they really wanted to remind us again that don't beat yourself up, because I think some people are thinking, I should be all over in this side at the minute. I've done so much work and I've been on this journey for 20 years or whatever it is. You know, I do it as well. But I should be over here. This is where I want to be. So they're just saying, look, it's go easy, let go, go easy on yourself. The other thing they wanted to share, and this was the thing that dropped in, this is a little message, that this will happen from the inside. You know, it's all about what's in us. So as you are moving from one place to the other, and sometimes you're getting a bit stuck, sometimes you're still in fear, sometimes you're still got dramas going on and all of that, rather than look outside, this is what they gave me. It's about inside. It's about going within. We know this, don't we? But, you know, it's so easy, isn't it, in our lives to just think something's not right, or I don't feel good, or I'm out of alignment, or I'm in a just terrible place. I'll look outside of me for the reason, the answer, the solution, and it's not. It's always an inside job. So some of you, they're telling me, are still getting stuck. This is the card of like, you feel trapped, you feel stuck, it's difficult, I can't move forward, I don't know what way to go. Because some of you are having fantastic leaps and jumps, and you are achieving, you're thinking, brilliant, I'm at this place, now what? And then you're thinking, where do I go next? Well, if you feel this week that you are getting stuck, and it's difficult, and it's hard, and it's challenging, it's stressful, people, their message to you is you have to go inside. It's an inside job. That is where your answer will be. That is where the solution will come from. That is where the understanding, the peace, the direction, whatever it is you're looking for to get you unstuck. Now, this sort of ties in with the 2 angel answer cards I pulled. First of all, ask your angel, but like we said, another word could be your soul self, your higher self, the divine, this one consciousness, whatever you want to call it. So you need to be going to that place, but that place is inside of you. It's deep, deep within inside of you. And it's the part that's connected to the all and everything, the one consciousness, the universe, whatever word you use. So that is where you need to go. So yes, of course, if it's helpful for you, ask if you work with angels and guides and light beings and archangels, whatever it is, whatever that piece of one consciousness is, do that, start to do that, connect inside. And their overriding thing was, trust this, because you just only have to look back at 10 years ago, 5 years ago, 20 years ago, and see how far you've come. All right, see how far you've come. But what you will notice when you look back and look at your greatest jumps and leaps and achievements and moving forward, it will have always come or began from inside of you. A shift in thinking, a shift in consciousness, a change in your energy, your vibration, a change in your mood, your emotions, your feelings. So it would have always started inside of you. So that's the big thing, folks, this week. So if you're having a moment where you're feeling stuck and you're still, in this transition, got 1 foot here, 1 foot here, and you don't know how to move forward, go inside, because that's where you will find the answer. That's where you will find the solution. I hope it's a great week, and thank you so much for watching.